More than hundreds of years, India was not free, but our brave heroes were fighting for our freedom. One of them was Udham Singh.
Born in 1890, Udham lost his parents when he was young, but he grew strong, kind and full of love for his country.
But something terrible happened in 1990. The British soldiers fired at thousands of innocent lives, but one of them was Udham Singh. He was not killed, but he was just a teenager who saw them all.
He promised himself, one day I will bring justice.
Udham grew up and went all the way to London, the capital of British Empire. He waited for years, quietly and patiently.
Then in 1940, he did something brave. He took action against Michael O'Dwyer, the man who was responsible for the massacre. Udham got arrested but wasn't scared.
He said, "I did it for all of my people."
On 31st July 1940, he gave his life for the India, but remembered as a brave freedom fighter, a man who kept his promise for his people.
Today, on Udham Singh Jayanti, we say thank you to him that he made us show that even a person can make history.
Shaheed Udham Singh, Amar Rahe.